Hey, what's going on, Trap Watchers? Man, today is September the 20th, 2021. It looks like the cryptocurrencies are going down. Cardano is not the exception. This is going to be our Cardano price prediction. ADA crypto slides 20%. Why you might want to wait on buying this currency. Now, why would I say that? Why in the world will I tell you that and name the title of this video? Because the market in ADA is still weak. Now, I'm going to keep it real with you. You might not want to hear it. You might want to hear all the moon talk and all the Lambos that we're going to get and be filthy rich with ADA. But right now, you guys can tell that we're down almost 7%, right? You need somebody in your corner that's going to be real with you. And we're that person. We're those individuals. We're going to tell you what we're looking forward to in price movement for the cryptocurrency space, all without being confused. So make sure you tap in. Hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe here to the channel. We want to make sure that you become part of a community that's able to predict and see where prices are going to go, all without being confused. So I look forward to you all coming on board and joining this massive and fantastic team. So check this out. Here it is. I did a video in ADA not long ago, right? You guys can see it, September the 8th. Go back. The video is still in our ADA playlist. You can listen and see what I said on September the 8th about where we're going to go into the future. Here it is, September the 20th. And look at what the price in ADA is doing right now. We were already in position. We was telling people, hey, look, the price in ADA is about to go down. We're anticipating and forecasting that the price in ADA is about to go down. Now check this out. We are now approaching that ascending line, right? That's going to be important. Take a look. We need to see strength come to the market right now. Because if we don't see the strength into the market in ADA right now, guess what? Then it means that this trend that ADA started all the way back on July the 20th right here is broken. And we won't expect the price to go up in ADA no longer, not following this trend. So the next outcome that we would expect is to allow this currency to at least trade sideways, and then maybe towards the end of 2021, the market will resume up to higher prices. We are now approaching that threshold right now today. Are you prepared to make your necessary adjustments so that you can at least be scathed from a bigger move to the downside? I mean, what do you all think? Do you think the market in ADA is going to hold this trend? Because we need to see it right now, right? So now, if you were to get out this play today, we'll be up 10%, right? But then I want to show you something else. Look at where we have our ultimate area TP right there at $2. This is where support is into the market in ADA, right? We came here on September the 7th, $2. Now that would take us well below our ascending line, right? Now what I would suspect is this. Let me show you what could happen into the market in ADA, right? The market in ADA will come down, right? You might see a small bump in price, try to go up, then we'll break it to the downside, come here, hit $2, and then the market's going to try to come back up and break this ascending line to the upside, will get rejected, and then the market will continue to go down. That literally happens all the time into the market. But for some reason, people can't see it because they're too confused with using technical indicators. Now, let's see something, okay? Let me get rid of this price prediction. You know, we'll eat off that 10%. That's cool. Even though we're still expecting the price to go lower, right? We're still expecting that. And this is the reason, okay? Look at this on the 3-day. Do you see any strength into the market in ADA right here? I mean, ever since we made all-time highs into the market in ADA hitting $3 on September the 1st, what have you seen? I mean, have you seen the price give us any strength? No, you've seen majority of people trying to sell their ADA. Now you're going to see 150,000 videos on YouTube telling you to come in and buy ADA. Well, they're telling you to buy, but the market is selling. So they're trying to put you on the wrong side of the trade. You need to have somebody to tell you, look, I want to come into the market right now and buy that right now. The market is selling. So why would I want to come in and buy it when the majority of the people in the market in ADA is selling? It doesn't make any sense. So this is weakness on a 3-day time frame. Well, maybe we get some strength on a 2-day. Do you see any strength here? Let me know. Because you might see something that I don't see. But right now, I don't see any strength into the market in ADA. The only thing that would alleviate us of going any lower in price in ADA will be that trend, will be this ascending line. I'll be the first one to tell you. We need to see price hold that trend. Let's see how we ended out last week, right? Look at last week. We saw the market close on the low of the bar. That's why we're still seeing the weakness on the start of this trade week. That's the only reason. It's because the market is trying to go somewhere. It's trying to go lower. So the expectation will be for price to drop. I mean, it is what it is. Now I'm still seeing two areas of support. The first one we was already expecting in our ultimate TP price in our last price prediction, which is $2. That's the first landing zone for us to see the market price in ADA to stop going lower. $2. Second area, it's going to be around $1.85 to $1.80. That's the second area that I'm seeing into the market in ADA. So let's just see what it looks like and how low we have to go. So that's 6%, 6.25%. We can still see the price in ADA drop to hit $2. For us to go to $1.85, that's about 12%. $1.80 is like 15.5. So this price in ADA can still drop 15.5%, which brings us to this area of support right here. Okay, around this vicinity. So now I'm expecting the market to break this ascending line, right? That's what I'm looking forward to, because I'm still seeing weakness. I don't see any strength coming in on any time frame. So the market is telling me that the price is still trying to go lower. Okay. So let me do this. Take this back over to the daily, right? I want to make sure we watch this price on a day-to-day basis. Bring this over a little bit closer. Okay. Now I'm going to hold this ascending line because I want us to see, once the price in ADA breaks that ascending line to the downside, I want it to come back up to see if it's going to try to break it to the upside. Because if so, then we need to go ahead and cut the prediction and move on to the opposite trade and expect the price to go up. So I'm going to hold this trend here. Okay. And the restriction area to allow this prediction to go on is right there around $2.41. Okay. As long as the price, well, I would say $2.45. So as long as the price in ADA does not break up above $2.45, we know that the market is going to continue to go down and trade sideways. Those are the two other outcomes that we can see. All right, and that's it. I'm done. Get rid of this. And this is our expectations right here. You all can see it's pretty clear and clean as to what we're expecting. Don't forget the two TP prices. TP simply means take profit. $2 first. Second area is around $1.85 to $1.80. Simple. I'm done. Now it's your turn. Call the markets right alongside with me. Leave me a comment in the comment section and tell me, where do you think the price in ADA is going to be in the next 2 weeks? In the next 2 weeks, where are we headed? Right? People want to give you price predictions over the next 15 years, 100 years. You can't even give me a price prediction in the next 2 weeks. So drop me a price prediction right now and tell me, what do you all see in the price chart as to where we're going to go? Right? And let's just see. Make sure you maintain a profitability. And as always, trade different.